Hi everyone, welcome to Kapil's Tech Byte. In this video, we will see how to create folders automatically using Excel. So let's start. Here we have a sample where we have multiple fields and we wanted to create folders by using state names, which is in column A. So what we need to do, we will insert a column next to column A, and in the second cell, we will write MD space colons and then the state name and close the columns. Enter. In next cell, what you need to press Control E. So what will happen? All the state name will get populated. Now copy these values to Notepad. Now save this Notepad to the desired location where you wanted to create folders. For organization level where we have security reason, you might not be able to create this in shared drives. So firstly create this on desktop and then you can paste those created folders to your shared drive. Now I wanted to create folders in this location. So what will happen? We have to click on all files as save as type and the file name to be given as .bat. Just save this file. Now just close this notepad and go to the location. Now you see this is the file what we have created. So just double click on this file and what will happen? All the folders will get created automatically. That's it for this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.